Hey, this is Chef Carl, and in today's video, I'm going to be making for you a Creole-style pasta Alfredo with shrimp and spicy sausage right after this. Alright y'all, so before we get started, let me show you all the ingredients I'll be using. One of the things I didn't show you was the onion, so onion will be added to this recipe. Alright, so once I get my knife sharpened, I'm going to be dicing and chopping up some vegetables, scallions, celery, bell peppers, and onions. Also, I'll be cutting up some spicy sausage that I was able to get. Alright. So this is going to be basically like a Louisiana-style pasta Alfredo with shrimp and sausage. And what makes it Louisiana-style, I'm putting the Holy Trinity in there, which is bell peppers, onions, and celery. I'm also going to be adding some garlic, some spicy sausage. I was not able to get Andouille sausage, but I did get some Nashville hot sausage. So I know that doesn't qualify as a New Orleans or Louisiana type sausage, but it's the closest I can get at the store that I went to. All right, so right here I'm just going to brown and crisp up the sausage. And yeah, I just want to get some nice color on the sausage. That's going to bring out the flavor. That's going to add some fond to the pan. Alright, so right here I'm going in with some 1620 peeled and deveined shrimp, and I'll also split them a little bit. Alright, so right here I'm going in with my seasoning, which is a Creole style Tony Chacheres seasoning. And that's what's going to really add that Creole flavor to it, that Louisiana style flavor to it. Alright, so I'm just going to cook my shrimp along with that sausage. Alright, so I'm going to remove the shrimp and sausage from the pan, and then I'm going to finish the recipe. So right here I'm going with a lot of garlic, probably about 15 cloves. I like a lot of garlic in my recipes. Right here I'm going in with the Holy Trinity, which is the bell peppers, onions, and celery, small diced. And I'm just going to soften those up a bit. And now I'm going in with some crushed red pepper. I know the Creole season is going to have a lot of kick to it, but I just wanted a little bit of extra kick in there, so that's why I put the crushed red pepper. So I just went in with some white wine, and now I'm going in with some heavy cream. The white wine is optional, but I wanted something that was going to be able to deglaze the pan. So I just went in there just with just enough white wine to lift that fond up off the pan. All right, the fondest flavor. All right. So now that heavy cream is reducing, I'm adding in my freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Always try to use freshly grated. Don't buy that. Definitely don't buy that stuff that's in the middle of the aisle in the supermarket. That stuff is terrible. It's not even really cheese. It's really a seasoning. All right. So now I'm just cooking that Alfredo down to the consistency that I want. I don't need it too thick, because once I add my pasta in there, that's going to help thicken it up some more with the starch that's in the pasta. Just going in with a little bit more of that freshly grated Parmesan cheese. And like I was saying before, always, try to buy your Parmesan cheese, in a block or whatever, and just grate it yourself. Alright, so now I'm going back in with the shrimp and the sausage, and also some of that juice that's just going to add flavor to it as well. And obviously this isn't a traditional Alfredo, but it's very close, and I'm making it like this for a reason. I'm going for more of a, like I said, a Creole style flavor, a lot of spice, a lot of kick. Definitely gonna, kind of have that tongue numbing feeling, while you're eating it, but it's gonna be delicious. Now I'm folding in some butter just to add some richness and some creaminess to it. And if you notice, I didn't have to put any salt in this. There's enough salt in the sausage. There's plenty of salt in the Creole season. And there's also going to be salt in your Parmesan cheese. Just going in with a little bit more just to tighten it up. All right, so right here I'm just adding some scallions. That's just going to be for garnish. It's going to add a little bit more flavor, and it's also used in Creole cooking as well. All right, so at this point we're done with the video, done with the recipe. I just want to thank you for watching. All right, I hope you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, if you try this recipe, let me know in the comments how it came out and what you thought of it. Also, let me know in the comments of other things you want to see me make. If you're not a subscriber, definitely subscribe to the channel. Definitely supports me. Give a thumbs up to the video. It doesn't cost you anything, and that supports the channel as well. Also, hype the video. That definitely shows some love as well. All right, I appreciate it. This is Chef Carl from Cooking and Grilling with Carl. Once again, pasta Alfredo Creole style with some shrimp and sausage. I will catch you on the next video. God bless. Peace.